Hello, hope you're doing good. Welcome to my AfterShip page builder tutorial. With this video, I'll be showing you how to create a home page or product page using AfterShip on Shopify. The first thing you need to do is create a Shopify account if you don't have one as yet, and I'll be leaving a link in the description that you can use to get started for free. Once you have created your account, you will be redirected to a dashboard just like this. And you're going to go over to the left hand menu option and select apps. Then from there you're going to tap on all recommended apps and you're going to select Shopify App Store. After selecting Shopify App Store, you're going to tap on the search bar at the top and you're going to type in AfterShip Page Builder. Then you will be redirected to this page and you can simply tap on AfterShip. Once you have done that, you're going to tap on Install. And by the way, you can see that it is free to use and also highly rated as it has a 4.9 ratings. And you'll be able to create and publish one page. So we're going to go here, tap on Install once more. Then you'll be redirected to the dashboard. Once on the dashboard, you'll be prompted to enter in a 6-digit character code that has been emailed to you. So let me add that in real quick. Once on the dashboard, you'll be redirected to this page, and from there you can either choose to create a custom page, a home page, a product page, collection page, or blog post page. So let's say for example we want to create a home page. You'll select home page and then you can see the different templates that you can choose from. And one of the pullbacks when it comes down to AfterShip page builder is it don't have a lot of templates compared to Pagefly and other popular page builders. So let's say we were to select this template, so we'll tap on create. After selecting create, you'll be redirected to the editor page. Once on the editor page, it is quite easy to use. You can tap on the picture and then go over to the left hand menu option and tap on change and you can edit it. You can also tap on each section and you could edit the text. You can edit the button by going over to the left hand menu option. You could edit the button text, add in the destination. You can also change the positioning and also the button background and button color as you can see right there. And you can scroll down and you can continue editing each section just like that. It's quite beginner friendly and easy to edit. Once you're finished editing it, you'll tap on save and publish in the top right hand corner. Then you can tap on publish page. And you're just going to give it a few seconds and then from there it will automatically be added to your store. It's as easy as that. So just give it a few seconds while it is being added. Once it has been added, we'll continue with this tutorial. So you can see it has been published. You could tap on view live page and that's it. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe.